Hello Virgo, welcome to Clagent Tarot. We are doing a quick mid-month check-in for the month of August today. I'll be looking at two energies, your overall energy at this point of time, and any advice from universe or spirit for you regarding this energy or situation. And we will also be closing the reading with a couple of oracle cards to get the final message for you guys. And let's get started and see. We have Page of Swords as your overall energy. You might have been studying for something or putting in time to learn something, depending upon which stage or what profession you are in or what you do day to day. You can be a student, you can be a professional learning new skills, or you can be probably a homemaker learning new skills to manage your home. You can even be learning things that you like as hobbies and stuff, right? So whatever is that you have been spending time in learning or gathering knowledge or information on, that is going to bring you happiness, right? And it's not only going to bring you happiness but to joy to people around you also. And at this point you might not see that coming, and you might be afraid that the energy, effort, time, money that you're putting into this, whether it will come back to you or not. You are probably having sleepless nights also thinking about it. What universe is saying is, take baby steps. Don't get influenced by stories of other people or what has happened in the past. This is a new beginning for you, and things will work out with the Ten of Cups energy, right? It's one of the happier energies in the deck, and I think you can't ask for more here. So let's see what the advice is for you, Virgo. You have the Two of Wands, the Eight of Swords. This card has been popping up a lot in the mid-month readings. It looks like the collective has been overthinking a lot. And the Nine of Wands, okay. But I think you've gotten tired of putting in the effort, and again, like, your worry is more output of your own overthinking or creating scenarios. There is no actual thing to be afraid of or fear. All you have to do is step forward towards what you have been working on, and it might be a little out of your comfort zone, but do not overthink or fret it. You've come so far, it's just another one step to take, right? And this is something which in long term will bring in a lot of rewards for you. So that's all I have on this front. Let's pull an oracle card from the Oracle of Fairies for you, Virgo. A very straightforward kind of energy for you guys. It's the message is almost clear, like, keep doing what you're doing and do not doubt yourself. That's like the overall message. We have fairy spotting. It's time to go fairy spotting. It's said that seeing is believing, but in fact the opposite is true. Believing is seeing. So keep believing in what you are doing. Do not doubt yourself, and things should be fine for you. Let's also pull one card from the Moonology deck and see what the moon has for you. Okay, if there are any fears around safety, security, or stability, then you and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. So there might have been some event in past 1.5 months which might have left you thinking. That might be the source of your overthinking and being in your head a lot here. But Spirit is reiterating or assuring you that you and your loved ones are safe. There's nothing to be worried. There's nothing to be worried about, right? So that's all I have for you today, Virgo. Do let me know in the comments below whether this work resonated for you or not, and do like, subscribe if you like my content, so that I can bring more content to you. That's all I have for you today. I hope this helped. See you next time.